Welcome back to FutureVest. Today we're talking about how to start investing with little money. If you think you need thousands of dollars to begin investing, think again. We'll show you how you can start small and build your way up. Stay tuned and let's get started on your investment journey. Investing made easy. It's not about having a lot of money to start with. Start small, dream big. Even the smallest investments can grow over time. You can invest with little money. It's smart. Every small step you take today can lead to significant financial growth in the future. Your money grows over time. Don't be afraid. Patience and consistency are key. Watch your investments flourish. You can achieve your goals. Start today. Take that first step towards financial freedom and watch your dreams come true. Fractional shares? Own a slice of success. Imagine being able to invest in your favorite companies without needing a large sum of money up front. Want to buy expensive stocks? Often the high price of individual shares can be a barrier for many potential investors. Fractional shares make it possible. They allow you to invest in high-value stocks by purchasing just a fraction of a share. You buy a portion of a share. It's affordable. This means you can start investing with smaller amounts of money, making it easier to diversify your portfolio. Let's say a share costs $1,000. For many, this is a significant amount to invest in a single stock. You can buy 1/10 for $100. You own a piece. This way, you can still benefit from the stock's performance without needing to invest a large sum. You benefit when the price goes up. Even with a fractional share, your investment grows as the stock price increases. Fractional shares make investing accessible. They democratize the stock market, allowing more people to participate and grow their wealth. It's a great way to start small. Over time, these small investments can grow, helping you build a substantial portfolio. Start your journey today and own a slice of success. Low-cost ETFs, your basket of opportunities. These exchange-traded funds give you broad market exposure. ETFs are like baskets of stocks. Imagine a basket filled with a variety of fruits, each representing a different stock. This variety balances your investment. They track a market index, mirroring the performance of a specific market segment, providing diversified investment. You invest in many companies at once. This diversification reduces risk, as one company's performance won't drastically affect your entire investment. Low-cost ETFs have low fees, meaning you pay less in management costs, saving more money over time. Lower fees mean more of your investment returns stay in your pocket, helping you grow your wealth. ETFs offer diversification, a key strategy in managing investment risk and achieving long-term financial goals. They are affordable and easy to manage. With modern technology, you can track and adjust your ETF investments from anywhere. Micro-investing apps make investing fun. You invest small amounts regularly, and it adds up over time. Acorns rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. These apps make investing effortless. They automate the process. Dollar cost averaging is simple. You invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market ups and downs. This strategy reduces the impact of market volatility. You buy more when prices are low and less when prices are high. Consistency is key in investing. Investing is not just for the wealthy. You can start small and achieve your financial goals. Remember these key takeaways. Fractional shares and low-cost ETFs make investing affordable. Micro-investing apps automate the process. Dollar cost averaging keeps you consistent. Start today, and that's how you can start investing with little money. Remember, starting small is better than not starting at all. If this video helped you feel ready to begin, hit like, subscribe, and join us tomorrow on FutureVest for more tips on reaching your financial goals.